Okay, now that we have our equations in the right format, we're going to start the process. To be able to solve by elimination, you have to have what's called an additive inverse. If you look at my y terms, I have negative 2y in this equation and a positive 2y in this equation. These are additive inverses. What that means is when I add them together, it's going to equal 0. They'll cancel out. So if you have the additive inverses already, to do the elimination process, we're going to add the equations together. And when we add them together, the y's are eliminated. 1x plus 3x is going to give me 4x's. Like I said, we've eliminated the y. And over here I have 10 plus 2, which gives me 12. Now I have an equation with just one variable, so I can solve that and find the value for x. Since 4 is multiplied by x, to determine x and get it by itself, I'm going to do the inverse and divide by 4. That cancels my 4's, and what's left is x equals 12 divided by 4, which is 3. Now, this is not the solution. Remember, a solution to a system has to have both an x term and a y term. We're going to bring back something we did in the substitution method. I'm going to take this 3, and I'm going to substitute it into one of my equations for the x value and solve for y. I'm going to use this first equation that we had at the top. 1x minus 2y equals 10. I'm going to copy that down here. And now where I have the x, I'm going to take this 3 and substitute it in. Remember, when we substitute something in, we want to go ahead and put it in parentheses. So I have 1 times the x value, which is 3, minus 2y equals 10. 1 times 3 is 3, and I still have 3 minus 2y equals 10. Remember, we're solving for y, so we want y by itself. So I need to move this 3 over to the other side. Since 3 is positive, I'm going to subtract it. That will cancel, and I have negative 2y equals 10 minus 3, which is 7. Divide by negative 2, and y equals a negative 7 halves. Not pretty, but we have an answer. Remember, though, you're not finished until you write your solution as an ordered pair. My x value is 3, my y value is negative 7 halves, and put it in parentheses. And there's our solution.